4 bedrooms, 3 baths near Metro Manila. Welcome to the Grand Park Place. And here is your brand new house. Let's go and explore inside the house. So as we enter here at our pedestrian gate, so we are going to welcome our pocket garden. So you can decor it once with your favorite plants. And here is your 2-car parkings. So ayan, malaki naman siya, kasya ang ating dalawang van. And then, let's check your service area. So pag may aso po kayo dito, malaya silang tatakbo kasi malaki yung setback dito sa gilid. And we're giving you this free tank, water tank, pero hindi naman po dito nawawala ng tubig, just for emergency. And this is your service area, so meron kayong lababo dito sa likod. And also here, diretso naman ito dito sa ating dining area. Alright, so ikot na natin, diretso na tayo dito sa loob. So, this could be your living area. So as you can see, malaki yung living area, open layout lang siya. So you can put also your dining here. So ayan, malaki siya. And then, diretso dito is your kitchen. So this is your kitchen. Dito mo ilagay yung yung ref mo. And then, meron ka ng mga modular cabinets. So ang dami mong overhead cabinets. So din meron dito sa baba. Ayan. Madami ikaw mailagay. And of course, ang iyong lababo. And then, ayan yung faucet. And then, may window dito para habang naguhugas, malayo ang mararating ng iyong paningin. And dito sa ground floor, we also have your 1 bedroom dito sa baba. So, ito siya. Meron na siyang provision for our AC. So, pwede dito ang ating helper or pwede sa ating mga lola na inaumakit sa taas. So, meron din itong cabinet. And meron silang CR dito. So, this is a shared toilet and bath dito sa baba and also your powder room para sa ating mga guests. Right, dito sa ilalim ng hagdan, could be your storage area para sa iyong Christmas tree. And then, dito, meron tayong kasamang pantry. So, ayan, may mga rack na, stainless yan. And maganda, malaki. And then, let's explore now our second floor, which is andun ang ating mga beds. Alright, let's go. And to the second floor. So, as you observe dito sa ating hagdanan, ito ay mahogany wood. Kaya tignan mo ang ganda ng kulay niya. Diba? So, ayan. And then, we have 3 bedrooms dito sa taas. So, it's going first to our master's bed. So, this is your master's bedroom. Meron siyang private balcony. So, ayan yung private balcony niyo. Okay. So, this is a master's mo. Dito yung headboard. So, pag ganun yung iyong kama. So, kasya hanggang king size na size ng iyong bed. And then, meron na tayong built-in cabinets. Ito yung ating built-in cabinets. Yun siya. Ang ganda. Ang dami mong storage. And of course, you have your vanity mirror. And of course, mawawala ba ang ating master's toilet and bath na meron ka sariling bathtub. And meron na siyang shower na naka-enclose na rin. So, ayan, para hindi mababasa habang ikaw ay nag-shower. Of course, ang iyong bowl and yung iyong basin. Alright, and then, let's check to our second bedroom dito sa taas. So, this is the second bedroom para sa iyong anak, iyong kapatid. And maliwanag kasi meron siyang bitana. And of course, meron itong cabinets. May built-in cabinets na actually lahat ng ating mga bedrooms dito. So literally yun, dadalhin mo lang yung kama at mga damit. Ayan. And of course, meron din tayong vanity mirror. And our third bedroom dito sa taas. So ayan, again. So ayan, aliwanag kasi 2 bintana mo and your built-in cabinet. And of course, again, your vanity mirror. So, itong 2 kwarto na to, shared sila ng toilet and bath. So this is their toilet and bath. Ay, ang ganda. Gusto ko to. Ganda ng iyong glass enclosure. Tempered ito. Ayan. So, yung separation na yung shower ng iyong bowl. Ayan. And then, of course, kompleto na. May salamin na rin. Then, ay your basin. And dito, you can put your chandelier dito sa hagdanan. So, meron kang hallway, oh. So, meron ka pang space para mailagay yung sapatos mo dito. Pag marami kang shoes collection. Alright, so, see you soon. If you want to view this house, just message nyo lang po kami and then let's have a house viewing. Bye guys! See you soon!